Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will teach you how to make a viscous liquid in an object. First of all, you agree your object vector, in this case agree Susan to Blender. After go add for UV sphere, okay, one UV sphere, scale. Go click in the sphere, Control A, and all transformation to delta. Control A, go to all transformation to delta is go reset in location or rotation and scale. Okay, Control A, all transform to deltas is go reset all. Okay, and click on monkey, go all transformation to delta, and again click on sphere, go object here, and go quick effect, quick liquid. Okay, move here or go scale more. Okay, here, yeah. Control A again in domain. Okay, this is domain. This cube is domain. All transformation to delta is go reset. Okay. Click on domain. Go here in fluid. Okay. This domain. Change for resolution division. More resolution, more detail in the liquid. Okay. In this tutorial, I go for low resolution. Okay, 31.2 is the default. And go down and go activate viscosity. Okay. In strength, 0 is not viscosity, and 1 is more viscosity. You need to activate mesh. In this case, in catch, I will use only 50 frames for the bake. Okay. You can change and replay modular or all. Okay. Replay is in real time, and modular you need make bake. You need bake in this fluid and bake and mesh. Okay. In the case, you need also need a resumable. Okay. Bake data and bake mesh. Okay. Um. Okay. Go. Oh. Okay. Um. Is you need activate collision in the Susan. Okay. For activate collision, to need clicking in the Susan, go here and activate fluid. Okay. In type, go activate effector. Okay. Um, go reset in domain, click domain, and go unit reset a bake and mesh. Okay. You again click on bake data and click on bake mesh. Yeah. Okay. In this one, you have this effect. You can change color, shade editor. Okay. Change color or here or one color you like. Okay guys, it's all, and I'll show you in the next video.